I want to talk about the best flooring option for 2020. Hi, this is Kevin with EA Home Design. We are a design and remodeling company. We do design and execute. We are an award-winning company actually nationwide. And I'm going to talk about some of your options and your best option for remodeling. What are the trends? What are the pros and cons? That going to give you some information for selecting your especially new flooring. Today we're going to talk about flooring, and I'm going to start with carpet. You can, as you see, carpet is one of the oldest common flooring products. It's actually not hard surface flooring, it's more known as a soft surface, and they call it carpet, the older term. And nowadays it's more popular in bedrooms. Some people still like the comfort and the warmth of the carpet in the bedroom. And main areas, high traffic areas, it's not as popular because of the maintenance and because of people's lifestyle. The time has changed, and that's why most people are keeping carpet more in the bedrooms nowadays. Otherwise, you have allergies. That's when there is an allergy, then even doctors don't prescribe carpet. They tell you change your carpet, take it out, and make sure to put hard surface, because carpet can hold all the mites and dust and everything in it. Even with vacuuming, you cannot get it out, and it's not good for your health if you have allergy or asthma. There is, of course, different types of carpet depending of your taste, style, design, or whatever you want to do. There's so many different options. Please continue watching. We want to help you to make the best selection and save some money, to get the best for your buck. That's very important. That's why we are very excited to give this information and help you. And contact us with any questions that you might have about this. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and follow us on Facebook. And that we can answer your question, and you will be always in touch with us with all the new stuff. We always introduce all the new trendy products because as we care about all of the design and execution. Now we are going to go to the next product. Is hardwood. There's a lot of different mixed information out there as based on our experience with people. Everybody has a different concept of hardwood floorings. And we always try to make it clear and answer the questions. As far as hardwood, it's a natural product. First of all, it has its own beauty, and you can get different wood product. First of all, hardwood comes in two different types. You can have solid wood, which can only be installed for most of the time on plywood subfloors, which is if there is a wood subfloor in your house, you're above grade, you can install the solid wood, which you can see it's a one-piece wood. The crosscut of the wood, as you see, it's all wood here. And there's a second type of wood, which is called an engineered wood. If you see on this crosscut here, there are different layers, veneers on the bottom, and only the top layer is real wood. Some people, they think they have the assumption that this is not real wood. It is. It's called engineered, even though it's layered, but the top layer is real wood. Now, this product is much more resistant to moisture, humidity. Don't get me wrong, not waterproof. It's just more resistant to humidity, and it can handle more fluctuation, humidity, and temperature, because wood and water doesn't mix. It loves the humidity, expands and contracts a lot, especially when you put wider planks. It becomes an issue long term in your house if you go with solid white planks. But engineered can help you to have a more stable product. This engineered product can be installed on concrete, below grade, and it's gonna make your house beautiful, but depending on your lifestyle, if you have kids, pets, and a very active lifestyle, you gotta know, you gotta inform yourself, educate yourself before what you want to put down, because wood, no matter what, it can be dinged, and it can be gouged, it can be scratched. There is no bulletproof hardwood flooring and finish. One product that we're going to talk about that's being used a lot in homes And flooring industry is tile, ceramic tile and porcelain tile. And it all depends on what area you live in the country, because the ceramic tile and porcelain can be used in almost in a lot of rooms in house in warmer climates. They use more of it, and as you go to the colder climates, you cannot use it like in your main living spaces. It's more being used maybe in your kitchen, maybe sometimes, but always in the bathrooms. In all bathrooms, there's always tiling, as you see. And there's two categories, as I mentioned, of this product: is it tile or these are not, of course, natural products. We're talking about synthetic. It's porcelain and ceramic. Porcelain is much more durable, it's stronger, and it has a much higher breaking strength. And then it doesn't need that much sealing. It's glazed. It's very durable, very resistant to everything. But you should know how to install it. The product itself is not very expensive. Maybe you can find it at a different price point, but installation labor on it is very expensive because of the prep work that needs to be done for this to be installed in the houses. That most houses are built from wood. That's why we really need to build up on structurally make it stronger to be able to handle the tile and porcelain. Nowadays, these products are available at all different looks because of the new technology. You can get it in matte, polished, marble looks, and the sizes are getting bigger and bigger, as you see. Like you can have really nice huge sizes of tile here, which we are using this in a lot of bathrooms to have less seams, less grab lines, make the bathroom look bigger, and less grab line makes the cleaning and maintenance of the bathroom much easier. That's what you can do. And or you can use a lot of other product. They come in mosaics, multiple looks that you can use as decorative and accents. Over there you can see some of it that being used, still they're being used as backsplashes in the kitchens, or some of the decorative and accent walls in the bathrooms. Again, thank you for watching, and we're gonna come to a conclusion of and talk about all the flooring together. Please continue watching to see what is the best product for you. And the next product we are going to introduce here, it's a product that's called LVP or LVT, which stands for luxury vinyl plank or luxury vinyl tile, which most people, again, they get confused about it. They think it's a laminate flooring. With laminate, it's a different product. Laminate is a wood-based product. This product is not a wood-based product. It's the fastest growing flooring product in the market, in the industry, and it's very popular. People love it. Whoever has it, they really love this product. What it is a vinyl flooring basically, but put together in a different way. I'm trying to simplify this for you. As you see, they look like a real wood. This is actually a print, and they have a vinyl finish on that. Some manufacturers add the aluminum oxide to the vinyl. Some add urethane finishes to make them very durable. These are what you see as a wood look is a print, which it repeats like every 4, 5, 6, 7 planks. Depends on the manufacturer, of course. So different manufacturers out there. This can be installed at any level of your house. You have pets, you have 5 pets, you have 10 kids, it doesn't matter. This flooring is one of the most durable and most popular floors nowadays. It's very stain resistant, almost stain proof, very resistant to high traffic area. It won't fade as fast as other products, like even carpet and hard surface, and it can last a long time. And more important than all of it, it's a waterproof product. It's literally waterproof, and even if you get a flood in your basement, nothing can happen to it. There are different brands, different makers of this product, and this is what we sell the best, and people love it because it's just, you install it and forget about Nobody needs to finish it. Nobody needs to do anything to this flooring. It just makes life so much easier. So much easier. There are other types of this. They make different grades, different qualities. Some of them, they have a core. It's making it a little bit thicker. The core also is a synthetic recycled product. And this one has a cork on the back too, which is cork natural, is antimicrobial, anti-mold and mildew. It is still making this product. It still is waterproof, even though there's a layer of cork on the back of it. And the veneers on this are much more realistic. This is made by US Floors called Protect. And many of you might be familiar with it. But another reason some people go for this flooring because it's considered more of a green product. If you don't want to put hardwood, you don't want to say, you don't want to have the trees to be cut and all that. It's a green product, and this is what we recommend nowadays. Most of our clients, if they want to have a new flooring, and it's being sold more than any other flooring in the industry right now. But there should be a reason for it, because people talk to other people, then they're hearing about the other people's experiences, and everybody is very happy with it. Make sure to let us know if you have any questions about this. We can talk more about it. But we want you to have the best flooring for your new remodeling project. If you're going to have a remodeling or redesigning your house, this is really a nice product. It's going to be floated. You don't need a lot of to do a lot with the structure of your house. It can be installed on anything. Thank you for watching, and don't forget again to subscribe us on YouTube and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and be safe.